Stop scrolling. There are only 15 days left for the board exam. And if you find that you have not yet completed your syllabus, then this video is for you. 15 days are left for the board exam and you have still not completed your syllabus. This means you have ignored your studies whole year. No worries. If you have realized your mistake, accept it and promise yourself that I will study sincerely, properly for the coming 15 days. If you do so, I assure you good marks in your coming board exam. So what you are supposed to do in this next 15 days? The very first thing, don't start any new or difficult chapter. If you find any chapter is left, I didn't even touch that chapter, oh this concept is so difficult, it's very difficult to understand, keep aside those chapters. Don't look at that right now. This is not the right time to study any new or difficult chapter. Then second important thing, don't go for any new mentor. Means don't contact any new teacher right now because it takes time for teacher and student to adjust the wavelength. So this is not the time to search for any new teacher. So what you are supposed to do? As I said, first of all, promise yourself that I am going to study sincerely for the coming 15 days. Then next, set a proper timetable. You have to study at least for 8 to 10 hours daily with a proper gap. Don't ignore your health and rest hours. So make a proper timetable with a proper time gap in between and you have to start your studies. Now start your studies means what you are supposed to do. Just take the model papers and the previous year's board question papers. 5 years question papers are more than enough. 5 years question papers and the model papers will help you to score good marks in your coming board exam. What you have to do is just go on studying. If you don't know the answer, just go for some simple answers, study that and do writing practice. Because board exam is written exam, it's not the oral exam. So only reading and studying is not going to help you. You have to write to check whether you have really understood and whether you are able to recall it while writing on the paper. I have made one video where I have told the importance of writing practice. Just spare 4 to 5 minutes and watch that video. You will understand how important is the writing practice. Just watch that video. Okay, now next, as I said, don't start the new chapter, don't start a difficult chapter. Then which chapters or what concept you have to study? Just go through your books. You will find that each and every subject teacher have given you the list of possible questions, expected questions. Yes, because the pattern of paper is always fixed. Questions may change, but the pattern of question paper is always fixed. There are some fixed questions. For example, in maths, solve the given linear equation. Numbers may change, but solve the given linear equation, question is fixed. Draw the graph, question will change, numbers will change, but the question is fixed. So just go through the question paper. 40 to 50 marks questions pattern is always fixed for each and every subject. So just go through that and study accordingly. This is not the time to do donkey work. You have to do smart work now. Already you have wasted whole year. Now in next 15 days you have to use it efficiently. Yes, you have to use each and every day efficiently. If you sincerely work for this next 15 days, I assure you that you will definitely score good marks in the coming board exam. Apart from this, if you want any help from VrushuRaj Classes YouTube channel, if you want us to make video on any concept or if there is any query or any fear in your mind, feel free to drop your query in our comment box. We will definitely try to help you. There are many students who are facing this problem right now. So I request the viewers to share this video among maximum students. And to get the updates of such useful and informative videos, subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj Classes. So my dear students, make best use of the coming 15 days and all the best for your coming board exam. Work hard, work sincerely. Definitely you will score good marks in your exam.